PLO Professor here. In this video, what you're going to see is essentially my trip to Bali in Japan. As you guys know, I was gone for basically a month from the United States, traveling abroad, enjoying life. And so there's not a lot of poker content here, just something that I had an opportunity to do in a photographer and modeling group. And so you're going to see it in the proper timeline, in which case we were in Tokyo first, then in Bali for 2 weeks, and then back to Tokyo, and then back home. So I appreciate each and every one of you. I thank you all for watching, listening, subscribing, etc. Play smart, everybody, and enjoy the video. Hand feeding otters. Oh, you're so cute.
Oh my goodness.
Here you go, buddy.
Yeah, bye.
Here we are at Capybara Cafe in Tokyo. Oh my god, he turned his own water on and now he's taking a bath. All the Christmas lights. The Sky Tower. This is so pretty. It's snowing. Yeah. Look at all the Christmas lights. Look at the Christmas present. It's coming. Come to me. You see the other elevator coming.
No, I told you I don't like heights.
Oh, look outside the door. We're only 400 meters off the ground. 400. It's just Oh my God. Jesus Christ. This is when you feel the most alive right here. Woo-wee. Oh. All right, honey, come on. Just look straight down while you do it. It makes it way easier.
Let's just do this.
Yeah, no, you just walk straight, like look straight down at it. Yeah, okay. Wait, no, you gotta look down, honey. Oh, you're taking a photo?
No way.
What kind of animal is it?
Animal, we call them luwak.
Oh, this is the luwak.
This is the coffee.
Yeah.
I think in English it's called civet cat.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
My current state of affairs. Hello, my love. Photographers doing modeling shoots all over the place. I'm officially the guy who holds the light for the photographer and all the models. Boy, this job sucks.
You start with, yes, Sorbel, and then you start with Kim, okay? And then we're gonna rotate. We're probably gonna rotate every 45 minutes.
Okay.
I say 45 minutes.
Yeah.
This place is pretty cool. Like, there's Mount Batur in the background. You probably can't see it, but you'll see it later. So this is where we shot today. Yeah, it's an okay scene, just a bunch of waterfalls, beautiful area. Oh yeah. Now we get to make the trek back up. Probably go up like 300 feet in elevation in about 200 meters. It's a steep climb.
Pass that down, Brian, if you put it together.
Restaurant. So, spent the last week here so far in Bali. It's been fun. It's been exciting. Spent a few days in Tokyo before then, going back to Tokyo, going to Gili Island next week. Yeah, sometimes life is good when you play poker for a living. Sometimes it's gives you opportunities to travel the world, meet new people, do different things. And yeah, I think I'm going to end this video so I don't miss the sunrise. Not a bad place for a sunrise. Too bad I lost $1,000 before I got here, punting on PP Poker, but such is life. This is all lava from the last eruption. There used to be a town here. Now this is all, the town is buried underneath this lava. Say hi on an elephant ride. Woohoo! No hands. Here we are having dinner on the beach. My feet are in the sand. We're gonna have a really good time. So always make some lemonade when life gives you lemons. I'm in Bali, Indonesia, on vacation. I haven't played live poker. I've had 2 live sessions since September 4th. I've just been taking it easy. I've had a shitload online. I've played a holy shit fuck ton online. So, there happens to be a private, exclusive, members only poker club here in Bali. Now keep in mind, Bali's a third world country. Gambling's illegal in Bali. It's probably just a really bad idea overall. I have this website I went to, and then it takes you to WhatsApp, which I'm familiar with. I messaged the person. They haven't gotten back with me yet, but playing poker in Bali, I'm just kind of curious how the action is. I mean, it's a third world country. Like, for $5 you can get just about anything, you know? And yeah, I don't know. I know in third world countries there's plenty of ridiculously wealthy people who splash a shitload of money around, and there's a ridiculous amount of people who are in poverty. So I'm intrigued. Like, I brought a lot of cash with me, not the maximum. If you bring like over $1 billion, you have to get it checked out at the bank. Oh, sorry, that's 1 billion rupiah dollars to you guys. But yeah, I'm kind of curious what stakes they play and what's it like. Also, being that I'm on YouTube, I think I should be able to get in the club pretty fucking easily. But I'm also worried about getting cheated. So, it's a moral dilemma. I have a cooking class tomorrow from 8 to 3:30. And it's my last day here in this part of Bali. Then I go to an island for the next week. But it's interesting because it's only a 45-minute ride from where I'm staying. I might even go tonight. If the guy fucking responds fast enough. We have dinner tonight at like 7, and then everybody's probably going to be going to bed. I might just say fuck it and go to this private club. Now the question is what is their high stakes? Is their high stakes like a $200 buy-in, a $500 buy-in, a $1,000 buy-in? I don't know. It says it's safe, it says it's secure, it says it has professional dealers. Being in a completely different country, not sure how I feel about all that. I know I would have to be on my A game, which meaning all these free drinks I would not be able to drink, especially being in a third world country. I don't want to get taken advantage of or robbed or raped or whatever the case may be. Sure, I might have a shirt that says I'm not gay, but $20 is $20. But I mean, when you're only paying $3 or $4 for a shirt, why the fuck not buy something like that? You know, I'm blessed no matter what. I lost like $4,000 this week playing online. Rough week. Really, what rough week? Like, and literally that boiled down to about 6 or 7 hands that, hey, you got 19 outs, and it goes brick, brick. Hey, you got 19 outs, and it goes brick, brick. Can't really do anything about that, but I might be able to make up some of it at a live poker game. Now, if they say high stakes, then I mean like 5-5 PLO, which isn't high stakes to me, but might be high stakes to everybody else. This might be a place where I can just fucking crush it. So, we're gonna find out. Our current mode of transportation. Nice little 2-level catamaran.
We could buy it from a people.
Like, I want to sit on this as we're going.
Yeah.
What? Sit down.
2-story catamaran. Today. Are you enjoying yourself? Lombok. This is our dinner on the catamaran cruise. Thank you. It looks really good. I'm here with my latest subscriber here in Gili T. And we're at the, is this called the Trippy Bar?
Yes.
So this is the Trippy Bar. I tell you what, they just put this in a milkshake or in an orange juice shake. It is absolutely amazing. Like, even mushrooms do not taste good. These were like, went down like butter. So we're gonna have a good time with Life of a Grinder. And my friend here, he says he's gonna live here forever. That was the other guy. Are you planning on living here forever as well?
Yeah.
It is like paradise out here, isn't it? Don't you think it's like paradise?
Yes. Welcome to my paradise.
He wants more Americans to show up and give him more money. I don't blame him, right? Good businessman, right?
Yep.
He just tells you how it is. So, play smart, everybody. We're gonna have a good time, hopefully, for the next 8 hours. See what's going on. It is fucking gorgeous here. Your dress looks really pretty.
Thanks.
You look really pretty.
Thanks.
Yeah. You know. Yeah. Sometimes you just gotta stretch. Shark!
Didn't phase him. What are your words of wisdom?
You might as well be having fun, enjoying what you do. Otherwise, you're better off at simple steps collecting alms from those who are. I enjoy it, and sometimes you just gotta take a break from this life, this reality. Realize that we're all grooving to the music. This is absolutely beautiful. In Gili T, we're at, do you know what the name of this restaurant is? Mediterranean. And this fucking pizza is exactly how it's made in Naples, Italy. Except they do more ingredients. But this right here is identical. It's fucking amazing. And then, being that it's December and it's fucking gorgeous, and you occasionally have got rando dude just riding a horse on the beach. Like, this is beautiful. Oh, here comes the baby horses. Wow. Oh my God. We're blessed. We are so lucky. Oh my God. I feel so humbled. Like, did you order this?
You're welcome.
You're welcome. This is an amazing experience. I am so fortunate. I love you so much, honey.
Love you too.
Oh, yeah. Here I am. Oh, now it stopped, of course. Like, it knows I was recording. At Gili Bali Beach. There's this gecko that was just going off. That's okay. I'm waiting for my dumplings. And right now I'm getting, what did I order? A Mai Tai?
Mai Tai.
Oh, this is the way to cap it off. Right here. This is a good place. Here he is making it. And my bartender is, what's your name?
My
Yeah.
Herudin. Hello.
Hello.
Herudin.
Hedodin?
Herudin.
Hedodin?
Yes, nice to meet you.
Professor. Look at this. Look at this. This looks good. I'm so excited. I'm sweating balls. It's probably like 80 degrees out here.
All right.
But this looks beautiful for a Mai Tai. I'm so blessed.
Feeling now?
Oh, I feel great. Have you ever done mushrooms before?
No.
So, when you do mushrooms, when you eat is when they go away. So I had 2 pizzas and calamari at that Mediterranean place.
Yeah.
That was amazing. Have you had pizza down there?
No.
You should.
Yes.
Yes. No, I lived in Italy, and that pizza tastes just like I'm in Italy.
Oh yeah.
Identical to it. It's the same. Absolutely the same. Except here they use more ingredients. So if you ask for like olives, they give you a lot of olives. In Italy, they don't give you as many olives, but the exact same.
Same. Like so.
The pizza was just as good as an Italian pizza. Yeah, I lived in Italy for 4 years.
Oh yes.
Mm-hmm. That pizza was just downright fucking delicious. These dumplings look really good. Yeah, we do not need you. This looks really good. When I drink and play poker, and here we are having a discussion with a John Juanda fan. What is your name again?
Herudin.
Herudin?
Yes.
And we are at Gili Island, but when I play poker, I drink a little bit, and sometimes I smoke a little bit of weed because it gets me a little bit more in the zone. Like, there's not fucked up enough, and then there's too fucked up,
Yeah.
and then there's just the right amount.
Oh yeah, just like a.
Yeah, so when I'm in the right amount, I'm dangerous.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm like the most dangerous player on the table. I'm the guy that everybody looks out for. But I have to be in the right zone. But that doesn't happen all the time. Well, if you had to say anything to John Juanda, what would you say?
Salam kenal. Hello.
Hello. All right, we'll see if we can make it happen for you.
Yeah.
I ordered the ceviche, which ceviche is raw seafood that ends up getting essentially cooked in lime juice or lemon juices. The acidity makes it to where it's edible, and it's really good. Not sure what I'm eating, but sure in hell tastes good. The ceviche here. Has some really good ceviche. So yeah, even though I'm having a great time here on Gili Island in Bali, getting my ass handed to me in poker. A couple times I've gotten it in bad, but a couple of times I've gotten it in pretty damn good and still lost. When in doubt, You're on an island. Order seafood. Thank you. Look at that. That is good. I've got my cheat sheet. Wife's getting a tattoo. So, I'm next. I know her tattoo is not going to be done by the time I'm done with this food. Everybody's so nice here. Just to show you guys the view of my lunch. You can feel the wind. This is what all the hard work is for. Life's little lessons. Sometimes you're getting kicked in the face in poker, but you're still enjoying life. Say hi. Looks cool. Hi, honey.
Hi. Are you joining a football league?
No, why?
Then quit fucking punting.
Tell people where we're going, honey. Where are we going?
We're going to the beach. Alright, whatever.
Here we are at the beach. Which one are you getting? The super duper? I got the super duper, yes, 2 days ago. I'm gonna get it.
You got the jackpot.
Or I got the jackpot 2 days ago. Are you getting the jackpot, honey?
Sure.
Back-to-back jackpots.
I don't even know what day we're on here at the island.
Third time in a row we're seeing the baby horse.
But yes, we're gonna see the baby horse coming past us. Here comes Mama Horse. Beautiful Mama Horse. Yeah, she's beautiful white. Then here comes the baby. And then there's the mountain volcano.
Here we are. I just bought my first t-shirt on Gili T. What's your name?
My name is Iken.
Iken?
Yeah, what's your name, sir?
PLO professor.
PLO professor. Wow. And everyone said that I'm pretty handsome.
Well, I'm gonna put you on the vlog, but yeah, I'll show you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, here we are on Gili T, and we're gonna go have a sound bath. Just randomly in the Singapore airport. It's called kinetic rain, and it all goes way up there, and then they drop like raindrops. This is like pretty badass cool. We're at it's like a fan festival. I don't even know what the purpose of these are. Somebody can inform me, that'd be great. Alright, walk! Look at the people run! This is fucking crazy. Look at this. It's Friday night. Booyah. Like, we're not even there yet. Support the train from Shibuya. Absolutely insane. Honey, this is our observation deck. What do you think?
It smells like rotten eggs.
Because the steam is coming off of the volcano. No, if you can see it. Yeah, but the observation deck, you might not be able to see anything. Here you can see the sulfur rising. I mean, you can just see the steam coming up. Active volcano. Huh? Yeah, like, just coming right out of the ground. This is literally one of the coolest things. Here we are in an active volcano. Steam is coming out, as we see. Right here. This is not fog. You can smell it. It's sulfur. Isn't this awesome?
This is crazy.
This is fucking
I've never
nuts.
been to a volcano.
This is pretty crazy. They have like we just walked through the museum. They have like seismology things that are active and tracking everything.
We legit came up the volcano and I didn't even know that's what it was.
Yeah. Look at that. Gondola right over active volcano. There's the sulfur just coming out. Look at how yellow it is. Look at all the different spots that are yellow. Oh my goodness.
Just like and subscribe, guys.
Absolutely. Don't forget to
Absolutely.
like and subscribe. I like this.
Please smart and run like a god.
There we go. There we go.